G'day guys, Matty here from Barbeque, and today we're going to do some bacon wrapped meatballs. These things are so easy to make, they're delicious, beautiful and juicy, kids love them, family's going to love them, get into them. We're going to place the heat beads lump charcoal into the pit barrel and light. The pit barrel gives a nice smoky flavour, it's versatile and it's great for beginners or pros alike. Right, we're going to cut the bacon in half, we're going to wrap the meatballs in it and place a toothpick straight through it. So today we're going to use our porter. It's our beer can inspired range of seasonings, and we've even got some chocolate in this guy. Okay, the pit barrel's come up to about 180 degrees. We're just going to pop these in for about 20 minutes for that nice smoky flavour. So the meatballs are just about ready. We're going to grab some Barbeque meat juice, we're going to brush it on, just wait for that sauce to tack up and then we're going to serve it. Bacon wrapped meatballs. Delicious and easy.